What's up, gang? Good morning. Right now it's about 6 o'clock. We're gonna meet up with the boys today. Gonna do a little short plug-in first in the morning. About to go load up the gear and whatnot. So stay tuned. Shout out to Pelagic Gear for hooking it up. So stoked to become a part of the team. So hopefully we see what 2025 bring for us, gang. So stay tuned, gang, because it's gonna be an action-packed day. Aloha. So, gang, we're on our way there right now. We made up with Brother Hoopsville. But yesterday we was on a wall and we had some good kind of action. It was pretty unexpected. You never know until you go. So, we're about to head out there right now. See what's cracking in this early morning. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can get Ben for you guys. Hope you guys have a killer day today. Whether you're sitting down on your couch with your hand in one potato chip bag. Uncle is pretty excited, so a little bit malfunction on the speaking, but you know what I mean. So I see you guys. Stay tuned. Stay positive. Stay stoked. Stay blessed. Let's get it. Morning, gang. So right now we gotta make the run. Cause Uncle had to retie his lures. Last minute kind. But the race is on. See you guys on the wall. Super late, but better late than never, they say, huh? Try this light plugger first. See if we can get instructed this one. First cast. Oh, I cannot let that happen, please. Oh! Slow on, boy, hang on! Some big boy race. Hang on. Proper one. Down easy over 10.
Turn his head, brother. Let him go to that shallow, I'm telling you right now. My turn. Well.
Your turn. Yeah, you.
Doubles, baby. Oh! Oh! No, it came off. What that dang? Nice. Oh, they're biting, cuz. Hang on, brother. Nice. Oh, Royce's one is big, huh?
Oh, God, that's net fucking there. Holy yeah.
Oh, Royce's one is big, dog. Huh? Nah, you fucker! He never pressed record, bro. Oh, they're blowing up out there. Look 'em.
Yeah.
I ain't never pressed record, brother. Fuck yeah, bro. That's a nice one. Yesterday I lost some big boy too.
Fuck, you want some doors, huh? Did you call me, huh?
Yeah. Guarantee you, me, little but. Good shit, bro. The fucker get 25 easy. Come back. That one get a little lower, bro, I guarantee. When?
At the harbor wall.
The outside?
Yes, it is.
Nah. Came,
Big fucker, cuz.
what, the thing came off?
Fucker took everything.
Nah.
I think I hit one of the fucking, one of the jacks.
Ah. Fuck, I just had a nice swirl too. Well guys, it's the name of the game. You win some, you lose some. I was once told that you lose more than you win, but you always come back. Keep pressing, keep casting. You're gonna get that strike. Nothing's ever a guarantee, but when you put in the work, when you put in the time, you get out there, the chances is 99 to 1. So don't ever let nothing stop you. Get out, get ahead, get moving.